I love this. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This video, I'm going to answer one of the question about making money online and the audience. Most people, is it most? Some people ask about, since you started teaching these people, how many people have put these things in practice? How many people have followed you? The answer is you can't know. You will know in future when someone comes up, and we cannot gauge from our nearby relatives, social, you know, our social network, because those ones, it's a must. We don't always rely on them. Most people, when they know you, even if they see you drive from what you're teaching them, they'll take it for granted. And not only for granted, these people we talk about, how many people have followed you, how many people have followed what you're doing, you know, how many are already earning on YouTube, on TikTok, like the way you are teaching them. You guys, it's not a job. It's not, it's not just something like you wake up, you do and earn money. If you check our previous video, it's about the basic things, or the basic most important things you need for you to be successful, or to start a platform on social media, or for you to earn on social media. What happens here? When people hear you talk, they get excited. They want to be what you're doing. They want to be there, but they fail. Ask me, why do they fail? Because it's not in them. So until it is within them, until someone says, I'm tired, I want to try this, it's when that person is going to give it time. So how are you doing, you guys? This is my growing video. Yes, thank you for being always on Immaculate Show, where we talk about make money with your platforms, with your social media platforms, with your phone, with your friend, with your skills, with what you do. Anything that you have around you, you can turn it into money. Now we are lucky that in our era, social media, internet is the one that is leading. It is leading. Even if you want to buy something, we sit at the comfort of our home, we buy, we press order, it comes. We sit at the comfort of our home, we know what is happening in UK, we know what is happening in Uganda. You can know right now. By the way, you can even put a street of your home when you're in Dubai, and you see what is happening around Uganda, in your home locality, in your shows. You will know what is happening there. That's how the internet has gone to. So what about you now? You guys, whether you like it or not, you cannot force somebody to do what they are not meant to do, or what they want to do. There are some people who prefer hard things than soft things. I'm not saying that content creation or social media entrepreneurship is that easy. It's not easy. But it's easier than one, being in lack, stay there without food. It's easier than me going on social media and beg for money. No. It's easier than you going for a job and carry in sunshine, or do a hard job, and at the end you earn like less than $200 per month. It's easier because already it's within you. It's like they've already given you content. I told somebody, even if you sit in a camera like this and smile, it's content, provided you have a great caption for it. Because smiling is content, crying is content, eating is content, everything around us is content. That's why, to the extent I say, people who don't want me, I even say, when I see someone saying, I don't have money and you have a smartphone, you put data every day. That's when I don't understand. Now, going back to the question that I'm always asked, how many people testify that your teaching has touched them or what? There are many people, but they are not within us. They are not our friends. Like the way I told you, you can take a cow to the well, but you cannot force it. Me, I'll do my part. and I'm doing my part very well. That's why you see, I cannot finish a day without doing it. One, I'm teaching you. Two, I'm earning. Whether you come and do it or we don't come and do it, it's not my case. Me, I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Then I'm happy that these days we don't have, like, when I'd started this channel, most people used to go to the comment section and say scam, scam, something like that. They start thinking of that because they don't even listen to understand. They were not even exposed. They didn't know. But now they know, but they are lazy. The people who know us, they know, but they are lazy. But there are some continents, there are some countries whereby they've taken social media as their, it's a must. Everybody is doing something on social media. If he's not selling, he's doing content. He's not putting affiliate marketing links. He's doing advertisement. At least they are doing something. Then there are others who have not yet really gotten gist of it. They'll ask, but how do I earn money from this? So this question is to me, but I can give it to you also. What are you doing on social media? Why do you burn money on social media? You buy airtime, you put there internet, you buy data every day. You even go the whole day. You charge that phone because you're always on live, you're always scrolling. You charge that phone, but you cannot even post purposely, because there is posting for showing, just posting because you found people posting. Then there's posting which is purposeful. You know you're posting this because it is going to bring for you money. So this is the time for you to stand up and say, no, I'm going to start posting purposely. Guys, I hope I've answered this question. Let's dive in and make money. If you have a smartphone, if you have internet, access to internet, you have free apps. YouTube, they will not ask you to pay for you to post. Facebook, they will not ask you for you to first pay before you post your things. No, post photos, post captions, stories, reels, shorts. All these ones, they give money. I hope I answered. And if you know you're out there and you feel like you want my guidance, yes, my guidance is on a fee because this is what I invest in. So to the people I gave and didn't pay, that was their chance. But I think it's high time. Anyone who wants a guidance, you can chat me up. Please, I will tag a fee and I will guide you. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.